Really loved it.
Is our set.
Maar zijn er misschien ook kinderen die zingen? Mag ik eens vingers zien? Oh, zijn er ook kinderen? Oh, ja, kijk, dat doet.
Well, the idea was suggested by a long time ago. Peter Sellers.
Nagpila sa iyo eh.
Famous play about the Dutch Revolution, downtown's short, downtown's death.
Sabi ni Papa, reporting. Let's check the price here. Ako na is okay. Times 2 siya. Oh, grabe ang chocolate. Pero grabe ka expensive. This action pag 1 euro lang siya. Guys, my bag is so heavy. Feeling ko mas malaki pa ang bag ko sa akin. Alam daw kay tagbag. Sige po. So we are already here at the airport and I ordered my boat. But I got to Bukasi. I will go to the center later. Anak ko dere sa hotel. So we are going to figure this out. For my room. For my room. Okay, time check. It's 10 minutes to 9 p.m. And we are going to the center. So, medyo nalibog tayo, guys. Guys, unsa man eh. How to? Okay, baka matay-cheat na tayo nito. Wala na tayong kinain, guys. Sirado na ang mga McDo at KFC. Sakay na tayo sa metro tram. I decided mag-McDo na lang kasi fast food. I don't want to wait that long and then I want to go to the hotel. I want to rest. Okay, nakakauna ta. So, continue na tayo sa ating gala. Sige, lakad muna tayo mga 13 minutes. Dito na ako sa astronomical clock. I think they are waiting for 10 p.m. Okay, done na. Wait na ta. Take off na your shoes. Change na tayo. For my 1 week trip, I only bought this one pair. Okay, so second day na natin. We are going to the center.
I hope that God
Ayan, my worst nightmare is to forget my pumping. I did not forget, I charged it pagani. But, sa kadugay na wala nag-pump, nakalimot ko unsa ang complete parts. So, nalimtan ako ang back cap. No choice. So, nag-get na tayo nito. I will just sell it after. Just once lang. Gagawin natin ay mag-pump tayo, guys. Bago pa pumutok ang dapat. Hindi dapat pumutok. Okay. Unboxing na tayo.
blesses your life, and you get to be
May bottle siya.
the mother and the wife.
Lagyan yung ano.
I hope that you meet the man of your dreams. He's all that you want, and he makes your heart burst at the seams. But if you ever feel like love is just out of reach,
Okay, sold na tayo, guys. Nakapump na tayo. So, ready na tayo sa ating exploration.
know where to find it, baby, come to me. If you ever feel lost and you need time to rest, come over, darling, put your head on my chest. I hope that you find that sunny peace of mind.
So, pros of solo traveling is number 1, you don't have to wait for someone.
When you travel down to Spain, leave most of your pain and worries behind. I hope that you walk proudly down the aisle. With your beautiful head, you catch me instead, and we'll share a smile. And if you ever feel like love isn't what it seems, nowhere to find it, put you in disbelief. If you ever feel lost and you need time to rest, look in my eyes and take a deep breath.
Capture, guys. So, at the bottom, so unfortunately, you need to pay to go inside for 250 crowns. I think hindi ko gagawin. Ayoko lang. Gusto ko lang mag-luki-luki outside. Uy, next time na lang when Guam is here with me. We'll go inside with Anakshi.
Like nobody understands. I hope that you know you're not on your own. All love never ends.
Dito na tayo sa Tok-Tok ng Basta. Straw Monastery. So, ito pala ang Charles Bridge. Ito. Ito na siya. Try natin ang beer nila. Kasi sarap daw ang beer dito. I like it. We are done eating dinner and we are going to the rooftop bus stop. Terasa o Prince. I want to eat dessert and then baka mag-drink something there. Even though I'm a bit barag. Bir pa day. Kain mo ng ice cream ang hubog. And after this, I will go home. Okay, I want to be early tomorrow. Okay guys, so pixelated na ang ating camera no? So, matulog na tayo. See you tomorrow. Ito na ang ating last day sa Praha. Dan ang heights. Diyos ko, looy. Taas mo dahil ni. Tapos, color key. Makita mo ang baba kung nag-aakit ka. So, may racing lang sa ako. Done eating, so we are going to visit the church. Let's go inside. To go here, dapat you have cash. Cash dapat ang dala nyo here. Okay, if you want to go to the VRTPA Gardens, ito dapat you have cash. It's 250 crowns, I think. I'm at the lesser town, di ba? I went to the Strahov Monastery and then I want to go to the old town. Look, asa ko paagi sa Google Map sa Kalasangan. Okay lang. Ako man nag-choose so I chose this path, so let's take it. Charis. Kaya nag-ulan man, nakapalit tag payong. Payong is worth 180 Czech crowns. May bayad po dito. Package na siya. Hindi pwede na cemetery lang. So, hindi natin gagawin kasi wala na tayong time. Kaya magluki-luki na lang ako here. Mag-read na lang tayo. Kahit di natin maintindihan. Ay, meron pala English. Kalayo po sa akong gate, oy. Yahak. So, C22 tayo. So,
It's RSN.
taas ng metro escalator. I am now on my hostel and it's like a puzzle. So I entered the gate now. I'm going to the floor where my hostel is, waiting for the elevator. Para na siya. And then, ay, laka-scary man. Uy, gatay. Grabe ka-scary. Then, press number 2. Close the door. Press 2. Uy, gatay. Scary siya, guys. Grabe kaliit ng elevator, Scary talaga, Dito na tayo sa 2. Nag-open. Ayan, nag-open. And then, dito na ako sa hostel ko. Worth the price. Hindi siya mahal. And it's at the center, so why complain? Sige, akyat tayo sa taas. Nandito ang aking bed. Dapat merong ay puta. Merong ano sana. Ayan. Electric fan. Yun lang problema dito, wala electric fan. Yan. It's so different here in Budapest compared to Prague. It's not so busy. That's why I feel so habil ito It's maklik. rest. Just feels like Philippines, sleeping at the floor. Sige, tomorrow na naman. Good night.